Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am here today with a thrift haul. I haven't done one in forever because I haven't been thrifting in forever. Decided to go hit up the stores and came away with a pretty good haul, I think. I also hit up a few clearance items and I'll show those to you guys as well. Found a really cool vintage rolling pin. I love this type of handle. Had to get that one. This will get a makeover. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It does have like a little indent here with the branding. So I'll get that filled and then do something to repurpose that. I have 3 of these planters. I have some greenery. I bought 2, but I'm going to fill these with greenery, hang them on the wall at the store. Last time we bought similar ones, they sold really, really quick. So we grabbed 3 of those. Next up is this really cool picnic basket. I don't have one this shape at the store. This may get some sort of a makeover on the top, whether I do decoupage papers or transfers or something. Here's some of that greenery. It'd be super cute. Grab the greenery, and my whole goal when I went this week was to get greenery and things that we could really brighten up the store with. Got this, I believe this is an artichoke of some sort. This will probably get painted. This color, this paint style does not do well for us, so we typically paint those. I got a little, this is Roseville crock, and it's got painting on it. I won't lie, I'm gonna soak this and probably scrape all the paint off and then resell it. They do better for me like that. I've got this really cool little piece of pottery. I'm sure this is just it just has initials on the bottom. I'm sure this is just a planter or something, but it's super cute. I like the handmade pottery pieces. I just sold a set of stainless salt and pepper shakers and found these. So I grabbed them. And some Raydon salt and pepper bowls. Thought these were super cute. Let me put this back in there and move it. It's probably the easiest way. Okay. Oh, next up we have this flower bucket. This, because it's got all this really cool vines and texture, I'll probably paint and distress back. A hand-turned wood bowl will probably get painted and distressed. This candlestick will get some paint, most likely white. I'm like completely almost out of white candlesticks, which is really weird and odd. This is not gold or plated. It's literally spray painted, so this will get painted as well. Again, probably white. Next, got a little birdhouse. I don't think I'm going to do anything to this. I will try selling this as is. If it doesn't sell, then we'll go through and figure out what to do with it. But I wanted to grab the birdhouse. Got this mirror. This is a plastic framed one, and I don't typically buy the plastic frames. In fact, my hubby bypassed this one because of that. And because it's the wood tone, I can paint that, and trying to set that on a chair and couldn't get it to go. Paint it and just stress it back to that wood and it'll look great. Real quick. All right, so next up is this little candle holder and this little wire basket. I'm gonna take the purple out because I'm not digging the purple candles, and then replace them, and probably won't do anything to this other than that. I adore this. It is so stinking cute. This, my kid's basketball hoop. Woohoo! This has just a little black bead on it. The bird on the top. I've got 3 of these. I'm not going to pick all 3 of them up, but they're all the same. Yeah, all the same. These will get painted and distressed back to make the vines pop on these. I think the last set we did navy, we've done black. I like to do white. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with more of a springy color on these or not, but all three of them will be painted the same way and then hung up together. And then I got this bucket with lid. I don't know if this is an ice bucket. It seems awfully big for one, but I love the wood handles and the brass colored detail on that. I'm not doing anything to that. If I do, it would just be a transfer or some vinyl added to it. I went with the purpose of finding greenery and found these. I believe these are either Threshold or Hearth and Hand. They're really nice ones. These were $6.99 for the batch of them, which is a pretty decent deal for them. Finding really nice, good-looking greenery is not easy. All right, and then one more thing from thrifting is this shadow box. And it's got burlap in the back already. I don't know if I'm going to add anything to this or just put it in the store as is. And then next up, we have our clearance items that I found. You kind of saw me moving these wreaths around. I did end up finding two of these at two separate stores. These were from Walmart and they were half off because they were in the holiday section. Not sure what qualifies this as holiday. Because we got some lamb's ear and some eucalyptus in there. I love these. These will go up in the store immediately. I have spots waiting for them when I go back in tomorrow. I did a total reset. I will have to do a walkthrough, guys. I am totally loving the serene, beautiful feel we have going on in there right now. We also got, these were not clearance. These are just little floral pieces out of the bullseye area that I like to add to vases and whatnot, just to give it that pop of color. We got some cute little eucalyptus and some little tulips. I have their bigger tulips from a few years ago, which I love. It's like the real feel on the petals. Love them. Just a couple of those. But I got 5 of these. Now, half of these in the store had painting on them, like Christmas trees or something like that. I left all those there. Bought the rest of the ones that were plain. These will get decals, whether I make them with my Cricut or if we do labels from transfers or stamps. I grabbed 5 and they were $2.50 each. I love upcycling them. Love. Next up, I grabbed 3 of these little wood wreaths. I will take the little joy clip off, maybe add a different bow. They have a little clip on them so you can clip them. But these will be a really cute, quick upcycle to make them multi-seasonal. I've got 3 of those and 1 little snowflake with a jingle bell. We're in the Midwest. We have lots of snow right now. So I think I may just leave that as is and throw it in the store. I grabbed, this was in the clearance at Target for half off because it's considered a holiday because of the green. I have a lot of Hollow Hill painted furniture that I think this will totally pair nicely with. So this will go into the store. And then I got this. So this side looks amazing, right? It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful cream color. Yes, it's metal. It's a great size. It was half off because it says ho, ho, ho. This was a $20 bucket. I got it for 10 bucks. And you can bet I haven't decided if I'm keeping that. Because this actually looks really, really good with the rug hanging out of it with that cream. So I haven't decided if I'm going to keep that or put it in the store. I mean, the ho, ho, ho might throw people off. If I have it here, I'm just going to turn that back to the wall so that you can't see it. I don't know. But that's our haul. I was really happy with it. We got a few other things like for the kids that didn't make this portion of it. Also going through my paint and pulling out some colors that I'm going to be using coming up here. Got a few more that haven't made the table yet, but thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I am really going to try to be on top of getting some videos posted for you guys so that I can really increase my numbers here on YouTube. But I appreciate you watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.